How to format cells based on value in Excel. So the first step is to simply open any file in Excel. Then you're gonna have to simply select the data that you want to highlight, basically that you want to format. So after you choose the data, so let's say this row here, as you can see, I have this number, so let me select them. What you're gonna have to do next is simply go to home, and then you're gonna have to simply click on conditional formatting. Now, as you can see, you have here some pre-made rules. So you have highlight cells rules, then you have top bottom rules, then you have data bars. Here you can even create your own rule if you want. So we're gonna use some pre-made rules. As you can see here, you can select top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items. So you're gonna have to simply click on them. And as you can see here, you're gonna have here the option to choose a style. And then you're gonna have here another option, which is format only top or bottom ranked values. Here you can choose top or bottom. And then here you can even enable percent. And here you can change the colors how you like them. Then you're gonna have to simply click on OK. So basically, as you can see, these cells, as you can see, are highlighted. Now you can do the same thing with other cells. You're gonna have to simply select them, and you can simply go to conditional formatting again. And here, as you can see, you can basically choose the rules. You can even click on more rules if you want to see more rules. Here, if you want, you can even use a formula if you have any. So let me go back here and select these. And as you can see, I'm gonna choose conditional formatting, then highlight cells rules, and then I'm gonna click on, let's see, greater than. And here you can basically type in the value. So basically, if it's greater than a number, it's gonna be highlighted. So let's say 20 like this. Then you're gonna have to click on OK, and then you're gonna see them highlighted. So basically, this is how you can format cells based on value in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.